Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more iPhone tips, Apple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. In today's video, we're answering a common question. Can you remove activation lock on an iPhone? Activation lock is one of Apple's most important security features. It's designed to protect iPhones from unauthorized use if they're lost or stolen. But what happens if you buy a used iPhone or forget your Apple ID credentials? Can activation lock be removed? In this video, we'll explain what activation lock is, when it can be removed, and the official methods Apple provides. First, it's important to understand what activation lock does. When Find My iPhone is enabled, the device becomes linked to the owner's Apple ID. If the iPhone is erased or reset, it cannot be activated again without entering the correct Apple ID and password. The easiest way to remove activation lock is by signing in with the Apple ID that is currently associated with the device. Once signed in, you can disable Find My iPhone and remove the lock completely. If you purchase the iPhone from someone else, you'll need to contact the previous owner. They can sign into their Apple account and remove the device from their account remotely. Once they do that, the activation lock will be removed and you'll be able to set up the iPhone normally. In situations where you are the rightful owner but have forgotten your Apple ID password, Apple provides account recovery options. By verifying your identity, you may be able to regain access to your account and remove the activation lock. Another option is contacting Apple support. If you have valid proof of purchase showing that you are the legitimate owner of the device, Apple may be able to assist you. However, Apple will only remove activation lock after verifying ownership. It's important to be cautious of websites or services that claim to remove activation lock instantly. Many of these services are unreliable, ineffective, or potentially fraudulent. The safest approach is always to use Apple's official methods. So, can you remove activation lock on an iPhone? Yes, but only through legitimate ownership verification and Apple's official processes. Activation lock exists to protect users and their devices, which is why Apple takes ownership verification seriously. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.